when you try hard.
Yeah, it would be if you could be. Thanks, mate.
So you just threw that and dropped it then.
that stump beckons. If you hang on with your
Go for it, Warwick.
tippy toes.
Slide down.
Feet! 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 Feet, you loser! Oh!
Smack. That doesn't sound good, Warwick.
That was a bit slappy.
It was a bit slappy.
I'm just reminded that your nuts get lower as you get older.
Oh, I don't want to know that either.
This one first, the skill shot. Come on, give us a look.
Come on,
Hang
you
on. Fucking hell, Craig. Just a minute. Just a fucking minute. I haven't got this thing going.
Come on, you old man. Hang on, you got to come back from. Warwick went from up here.
How do you fucking get this thing going?
Craig, you stand on the stump.
You can stand on the stump,
I was
Dillington.
up there before. Wait, Craig, stop. Just pass it up to me. Just stand here.
String. Fuck that, no, you'll do it. Show you fucking. Get out of the way, Mark. Get your hat off and do it yourself.
He's going to pull you back so you can go further.
No, I'm going. Fucking not going on the stump. Fuck off. Come here. Craig, you're pulling me in, you fool. Stand up here. No, fuck off. Whoa.
Oh! On the back.
I got to admit, there were times a few things crash.
That's pretty good anyway.
Where you going?
Still gonna have a game of cricket? Watch out for those bull sharks. I'll see your lily white fucking legs and ass. Ooh, ooh.
Go the stump.
The stump,
Stump
we
man.
want the stumpers. I'll brand you. I'll brand you. Oh. Slap. Oh, that was a splatter.
Here goes Warwick.
Give it to me. Give it to me. What's that, piss?
Alright,
You got that thing this time, Scotland?
yes. I'm going to start filming in 2, 1.
And action! Action!
Where's the ball?
Ball, Warwick. Tennis ball.
Get the ball. You want to say something?
Not really, no.
It
Thanks
wasn't
anyway,
me.
though.
It was like that when I got here.
That's right. That's right. My brain was like that when I got here. Yeah, it's in 3 bags though, isn't it? You can't smell anything. You put your hand in.
Are you going to eat it?
No, it's bait. It's bait.
Oh, bait prawns. Oh, I thought you meant for dinner.
If it's stinky, Craig, I'll chuck them.
Some of the smell now.
Is there? Oh, I'll chuck them. Don't worry. It's not worth them. I can just use something. I can use something else.
Does that mean you're giving up on the bet?
No.
I've got a charger for it.
Thank you.
No, no.
Have as many as you want.
Scott.
No, because I've got.
Have as many as you want. I got an old bag.
One each will be
Well, have 3 each. Okay.
I just realised how I
Help yourself, Marcus. Open up the bag.
indulged when I was top.
There
What are you doing?
you go.
Just chopping veggies
I don't
the
want
slow way.
I hate them. I didn't want them.
I like to get the ends off of
No,
them.
I've got them. I like them.
Take the other bit out of it.
Comes.
I just don't like the real knobby bit
So-
on the end, that's all.
I need to cook these spuds. I want to get them on now. Raven, you got any foil? Tone, where's your foil? You said you brought some.
Why don't you just wash out that camp?
You haven't got them. You told me not to get it. You said, don't get any foil because I've got some from last camp. So I was at the store and I didn't get any foil. Have you got foil or not?
I don't know.
You haven't.
It's foiled your plan, Craig.
Fuck's sake.
You're starting to tantrum now.
You don't fucking have those. Style. I want to put them in there nice with some fucking oil and salt, pepper, garlic, fucking onion, a bit of fucking chili sauce.
The end of the world is
Nice. Sour cream.
cappuccino. No.
You haven't got any every time. What's that? After saying you had foil,
Yeah, yeah.
you haven't got foil.
Well, actually, that's the next guy.
What the fuck?
I don't care anyway.
Move that.
This looks great. Someone's cooking.
Needs fucking flame on it.
You go, I've got bacon. I've got plenty of bacon. I've got
We can do it in the same way. On the bars.
It's just not the same.
Just
No,
throw
it's
the
not.
fucking
It's never
spud
the
in
same.
there,
It's never
like
the
I
same.
did. You don't need some gay fucking foil.
Or wash out the camp oven and fucking with a bit of
It's aluminium.
scouring pad in there. We've had
doing
plenty of cooks' meals on it before.
My plans have been thrown into fucking disarray. I was thinking about a nice dinner with fucking.
Who's
No,
Desiree?
I can't even
Where'd
food
you
prep.
introduce her?
I can't even
Where'd
food
Desiree
prep.
come
What am I
from?
going to fucking do? I'm going to look inside this and look for something else to cook.
That water bowl get dug.
No, that's why I'm trying to put
Ray, do you want an onion?
No thanks.
Who's got any foil?
flame here.
No.
Love your work, boys. Love your work.
Warming up already.
It's not as cold as last night, thank God.
Oh, it's cloud cover next to you. Warm it up.
Well, I hope it doesn't get as cold as last night. It was bloody chilly. You see when you drive up around these fire trails, man, there's a bloke with fire. Walked in, dozed up a cup of coffee, sat down the corner, didn't make a big deal out of it. He was covered in sweat, covered in shit. Didn't fucking go there and try to kiss ass with him. We just sat down quietly on the zone and just drank a cup of coffee. He was dehydrated, I was soon gagging for a cup of coffee. And just got on with it. I think